This video will cover how to install a T-screw secure hanging system for wood frames. The locking mechanism helps to securely tighten and lock the artwork into the wall. Hardwares. What you can find is 3 plates and 2 screws for each plates, 2 brackets with 1 screw each, and a corresponding drywall anchor, 1 T-screw with a drywall anchor. Step 1. Install plates to the wood frame. On the back side of the frame, you have 2 metal plates along the top bar and 1 in the bottom center bar. Step 2. Mount the brackets onto the wall. The brackets should be aligned to the plates. Finally, attach a T-screw on the wall at 0 degrees horizontally. Step 4. Mount frame and rotate T-screw 90 degrees clockwise. Once you have all the following above, simply slide the frame into the plates and rotate the T-screw 90 degrees clockwise to lock the frame. This system allows you to safely protect your artwork from falling off the wall. The locking mechanism is a safe option for children and pets. It's perfect for windy areas and difficult to control areas with high density of people like hotel, lounge, and school. The downside is that the installation may take longer compared to traditional hanging system.
For more information, visit CanadaOnCanvas.com.